Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, what's up, my boy?
I'm done. Sorry.
I can't go. This cat's just looking at me like you got a problem. We can handle it right now. Yeah, you up the window, pussy ass cat, small face.
Did you finish your food super fast so that you could eat your brother's food as well?
Luna.
Rachel.
What?
That is a predator.
He's not a predator.
What are you?
We're blooping. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Oh. You're such a good girl. Are you a festive Marf?
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Chonk. Have a blessed New Year.
He's escaping! The killer is escaping! Help!
Oh, look at you, little tiny kitty, little tiny baby kitty. Ow!
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Finn?
It's good. It's okay. It's okay. What's wrong with this? Oh, God.
Are you insane? Stop attacking. Immediately.
Leo. Leo. You want food?
How'd that get in there?
What'll it be? The usual? Tough day?
Huh? Huh?
Huh?
Did you kill her?
Guys, I just got home. I think Jim passed away. Jimmy, you. Nope. We're good.
Hello.
Solo a ti su creador dominara todo lo creado. Cuando por desobediencia perdió tu amistad, no lo abandonaste al poder de la muerte.
¡Estás loco!
Let me show you.
Ready? He's getting wound up. He's getting wound up. Ready?
The humans have mistaken me for a Beyblade again. They believe I can just let it rip. These biscuits are not ripped. They are perfectly baked.
No. This. Miso's acting innocent.
If you expect to get any presents for Christmas this year, we're going to have to donate some things to clear some room. What about this thing?
That's my special one.
Your special one. I've literally never seen you play with this.
I didn't know where it was.
Stop! 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 Hardin, stop! Stop!
So this is my cat, and one of her kittens looks really weird. Don't really know what's going on here, but it's got a long nose.
No. Alright, fine. Okay. Well, I said... Oh, you like it? Oh, no, you don't. I told you.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
What's going on?
Why was there bacon in the soup? I made it myself.
I'm having a fucking panic attack right now. I need to calm the fuck down.
Why was there bacon in the soup? I made it myself.
I just got home and I really have to piss, and this fool really runs to the toilet. I'm pissing my pants.
Biddy.
You're coming home with me.
What's going on?
Hey, look at the way my cat is in the bath. And he's just like fine in there, and he's just splashing around in the bath. I don't know, is this a good TikTok video? Is this the type of shit you guys like? Whatever, fuck.
They say if you spell your cat's name backwards, it'll sound beautiful.
Lab tame.
Hi. Hi. Macaroni with the chicken strips.
You know what? You're gonna ruin my life when you die.
gosh! What? Look at that! What? Put my hand in there? All right.
I'm just a big toasty cinnamon bun. I never want to leave this bed.
I would say mentally I am not well. Physically, also no. Spiritually,
No.